Hi guys, it's Dali and welcome back again to my vlog. I was so delighted that I got to share a few clips of mine while I was still in Davao City and at the present moment. So now I'll be sharing some raw videos that I captured, compiled them and edited them. So basically hindi ko siya na-edit and post previously for the reason that I was so busy working. So yeah, let's continue this journey. So nice. May muta pa ako dito. So I'm on a break right now and I'm actually looking at the bottom of this building. I do have a lot of errands later on. Maglalaba pa ako, maglilinis pa ako ng apartment, and also I'm actually planning to go outside para mag-canvas ng chair, and yun lang ata yung agenda ko later on. But since maganda ang weather ngayon, maglalakad na lang ako. I miss walking. Trying to be okay. Trying to be okay.
I'm busy.
So right now, I'm having a hard time to arrange those kasi gusto ko malasan yung mga gamit dito and ma-reduce. Nandito ako ngayon sa City Hall. Okay, so I had enjoyed while I'm outside, and also I am really happy because I bought this chair. I've been longing to have a chair here in my apartment, and yeah, here it is. I bought tissue, which is ilalagay ko dito sa likod. This cute gift ko to for someone. I'm gonna rest and let's see what will happen tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good morning! So today is Monday and it's actually my last break. So I'm having my break for 15 minutes. Magandang umaga. Feeling ko uulan. Look at that. Can I go back? Wala, nag-film na ako dito. Wala, nawala yung stress ko bigla. Hi! Yay! Okay. So this is kinda night ambience here in my work, outside of work. I love how the bamboo is waving, slapped by the smooth air, and there you can see the SNR building shopping. Ooh. Ooh.